How to generate AI text summaries quickly in Nano Banana. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Nano Banana alone cannot summarize articles, documents, as it is built for generating image. It can make visual summaries like I'll show you the example. Open Play Store and download Nano Banana and open the app. Here you'll find text to image at the top. Click on text to image. Then you can describe your imagined scene here. You can simply type in the scene you want. For examples, make a simple cityscape from below. Press on replace and then select style as you want and aspect ratio. Press on generate now, and then it will take some time and generate as you have prompted. And this is how to generate AI text summaries quickly in Nano Banana. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.